Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker Fiesta chicken and rice, and I'll be using my 8-quart Ninja Foodi. Alright, to start off, I am seasoning some chicken thighs, bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. We've got some kosher salt, some chili powder, and some sazon seasoning. Make sure you are very generous with the seasoning so it is flavorful. We are going to spray the chicken thighs with olive oil and press the seasonings in. And now I'm flipping over the thighs and I'm using a butter knife to lift up the skin. And I'm going to season under the skin with kosher salt. And then I'm going to season the top with the chili powder, the sazon, and then spray with olive oil. I then transferred the chicken thighs to a Ziploc bag. And these actually stayed in my fridge a couple days, but if you can, let them marinate overnight or a couple hours, but if you don't have time for that, just go ahead and cook them on up. So I preheated my Ninja on saute high. I added some olive oil, and now I'm just going to brown the thighs on both sides, working in batches. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. And so once your thighs have been browned on both sides, go ahead and transfer them to a plate. And now it's time to saute some veggies. So I have this frozen bag of red peppers, green peppers, and onions. And I'm just going to saute that up for a little bit. And then I added in some rice, followed by some chicken broth. Don't worry, as mentioned before, the ingredients will be listed down below. So we've got the veggies, the rice, the broth, and now we're going to add the chicken thighs back into the pot. And then we are going to take some salsa and we are going to top each thigh with some salsa. And then we are going to place on the pressure cooking lid, set it to seal, and we are going to cook on high pressure for 12 minutes, followed by a quick release. Once all the pressure has been released, go ahead and remove the lid, and this is what your chicken and rice will look like. So the final step is to go ahead and top each thigh with some shredded cheese, and we are going to use the broil setting on the Ninja Foodi to melt the cheese. Now if you're using a different kind of pressure cooker, you just go ahead and put a lid on until the cheese is melted, and this is what your dish will look like once the cheese is melted. And so now it's just time to serve it up. Easy peasy, flavorful, and delicious. So what did you think? Did you like it? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time I upload a new video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!